Hi friends, welcome on my channel Nursing Basic Educations. My name is Afrin. We are talking about what is the difference between marasmus and kwashiorkor. Both are nutritional disorder. So what is nutritional disorder? Nutritional disorder are diseases that occur when a person's dietary intake doesn't contain the right amount of nutrients for healthy functions, or when a person cannot correctly absorb nutrients from food. So our next point is what is the difference between marasmus and kwashiorkor. So first point of marasmus is nutrients deficiency is the main cause of marasmus. It occurs in children that don't ingest enough protein, calories, carbohydrates, and other important nutrients. This is usually due to the poverty and scarcity of food. If we talk about kwashiorkor, so kwashiorkor is a severe form of malnutrition associated with a deficiency in dietary protein. The extreme lack of protein cause an osmotic imbalance and cause edema or retention of water. The other name of kwashiorkor is PEM, which means the protein energy malnutrition. Our second point is in marasmus, physiologic state. When a person suffer from the marasmus, his or her physiologic state is the process occurs is called catabolism, or in kwashiorkor there is a anabolism. So what is catabolism? The process in where complex molecule breakdown or release energy. If you talk about the anabolism, so in anabolism there is a synthesis or buildup of molecules. Next one is in a marasmus there is a subcutaneous loss of subcutaneous fat and muscles wasting, or in a kwashiorkor there is a because of low protein, uh, oncotic pressure is also low and caused edema. Next point is in a marasmus there is a low chances of infections, whereas in kwashiorkor there is a high chances of infections. If we talk about the mental status in a marasmus, there is a alertness in a patient who is suffer from the marasmus, or in a kwashiorkor there is a letharginess or irritability. Next one is there is in a marasmus there is a good appetite, but in a kwashiorkor there is a poor appetite. Next point is it is common in infants under 1 year of age, whereas in kwashiorkor there is occurs in children between 1 year to 5 years of age. Next one is in a marasmus there is a edema is absent, but in a kwashiorkor edema is present. Next point is the marasmus. In marasmus, no fatty liver, whereas in kwashiorkor there is a hepatomegaly, which means the enlargement of fatty liver. Next point in marasmus, there is a ribs become very prominent, whereas in kwashiorkor ribs are not very prominent. Next one is in a marasmus, the person suffering from marasmus needs adequate amount of protein, fats, and carbohydrates, whereas in kwashiorkor the person suffering from kwashiorkor needs adequate amount of protein. Thank you.